What's up, everybody? Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be taking a look at the dbrand ghost case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and we're going to check and see whether this magnet affects the S Pen, because I've been seeing some mixed reviews online saying that you will get the warning about magnetic accessories affecting the S Pen when using the ghost case. So we're going to take a look at this and see if we have any issues. One thing to note is this is the first ghost case that I've had for a Galaxy device. Last time when I went to purchase one for my S25 Ultra, it turns out somebody had stolen the case out of the box, so there wasn't anything in there. I'm going to cut the tape on the back of this real quick, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at it. At least the back is sealed this time, because like I said, last time somebody had stolen the case. But I don't think we'll have any issues with the magnets. At least I hope we don't. There we go. I really like these cases. I wouldn't be using a case on my S26 Ultra at all, but I need the magnet for my wireless charger and stuff like that in my car mount because those are both magnetic. And there's a piece of plastic. There we go. There's a little pull tab right there. There we go, like so. Go ahead and pop it in here. All right, so it is in. I'll go ahead and turn it on. There we go. So I don't have any warnings about the S Pen yet. Let's see if we have any issues here. I don't think so. Let's see. We'll just go here to notes, and we'll create a new note. And as you can see, the S Pen is responding everywhere. If the magnet was affecting the pen, then we would have like skipped over, you would skip over where the magnet was. But as you can see, we're getting lines everywhere, no issues whatsoever. So that is good. I don't see any issues. I don't see any warnings or anything like that on the S Pen. Just turn off Do Not Disturb for a second and make sure we didn't get anything. But nope, I don't see anything. So that is good. Take a look here at the case, but nice clear case. These are guaranteed not to yellow. If it does yellow, dbrand will replace it. Got a nice textured side here for your grip, so very nice there. Got the microphone cutout on the top right there, and port cutouts on the bottom. Got a nice cutout for the USB-C and speaker, as well as the S Pen. It is easy to retrieve and put back right there, just like so. Got a little bit of a raised screen, or raised edge for screen protection, and then the camera bump is also protected all the way around the edge with a slight lip around the cameras themselves. So you get pretty good camera protection when you put it down. You still do have a little bit of wobble, but not as bad as the phone. I mean, the phone by itself kind of sits crooked if you don't have a case on it from the camera bump. So that is good. And then we also have the magnet back here. Just stick my case on right there. So no problems whatsoever. And still no warnings about the S Pen. We'll go back. Let's go back to notes real quick and just make sure with the magnetic accessory attached, we don't have any issues. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So it looks like when there's an accessory on there, as you can see, the pin is very sporadic. Let me turn off Do Not Disturb again. I still don't get a warning about it. But you can see here the pin is not working. We'll take the case off, or the wallet off, and then boom, as you can see, it draws just fine. And then if we put it back on, nope, it does not respond. Down there on the bottom it works, but once we start getting around where the magnet is, it does not work. So that's unfortunate. Let's just try my other case real quick too, just to see if it's limited to this one. Now, the magnet is pretty strong on this case, so there's that. That's a good thing for certain things, but obviously not for everything. So this is just a Spigen Ultra Hybrid case that I was using. I haven't done a video on this one yet, but let's put the phone in here and see pop back into notes here. Let me just clear this out. I'm gonna make a new one here, just so we can see. All right, let's try it with this one and see if we have the same issue. Okay, so everything works fine. And then we'll go ahead and put the case back on. And yep, okay, so a little bit more responsive, but it still has kind of where the circle is right here. You can see it does not detect the pin right there. So yeah, that's kind of a sucky thing, but it looks like it does affect multiple cases. So keep that in mind if you are an S Pen user, especially if you have a case on it with an accessory on the back. You might have issues. If you want to pull out your phone real quick and it's got like your wallet or something on the back, if you want to pull it out and just make a quick note or something like that, you might have issues. You might have to take your wallet off the back or whatever you have on the back off of the phone. So it looks like magnets or the MagSafe accessories on the back do indeed affect the detection of the S Pen. So nice case overall. Not really dbrand's fault on that, because look, like I said, it's affecting multiple cases. But yeah, so hopefully maybe they can come up with a workaround for that here soon. But there is the dbrand Ghost case. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.